Hello everyone, today we will be looking at Mode BI tutorial for beginners. Simplify data analysis and visualization 2025. Mode BI is a powerful, collaborative business intelligence BI tool designed with data teams in mind. Acquired by ThoughtSpot, Mode now combines flexible analytics with the intuitive capabilities of modern BI, enabling both technical analysis and business users to uncover insights faster. This tutorial covers the essentials to get you started with Mode, including how to explore data, write queries, visualize results, and collaborate with your team. What sets Mode apart from any traditional BI tools is its focus on empowering analysts with the flexibility of SQL, while also offering no-code capabilities for less technical users. The platform bridges the gap between advanced analytics and everyday decision-making, enabling cross-functional teams to work from the same source of truth. Whether you are running a complex SQL query, exploring visual dashboards, or using Python for predictive modeling, Mode allows it all in one unified environment. A unique feature of Mode is its report-centric workflow. Every report starts with a SQL query, followed by visualization tools and, if needed, advanced statistical modeling using R or Python notebooks. This modular approach ensures that insights are traceable, reproducible, and easily shareable across departments. Additionally, Mode integrates seamlessly with various cloud data warehouses such as Snowflake, BigQuery, Redshift, and more. This makes it especially valuable in modern data stack environments where real-time insights and rapid iteration are critical. For organizations that prioritize data governance and transparency, Mode offers version control, permission settings, and detailed audit trails, ensuring that data is used securely and responsibly. Teams can collaborate live, annotate dashboards, schedule recurring reports, and set up alerts based on thresholds, all within the same ecosystem. Whether you are analyzing customer behavior, tracking KPIs, or building interactive dashboards, Mode simplifies the process and scales with your needs. This guide will walk you through the platform's core features to help you get the most out of your data journey. Number 1. Getting started with Mode. Create an account. To begin, sign up at mode.com. You can start with a free trial or choose a plan that suits your needs. Click Try for free on the homepage. Sign up using your email or authenticate via Google or GitHub. Dashboard Overview. After logging in, you will land on your workspace. The UI is clean and user-friendly, with key areas like Reports, where queries and visualizations live, Spaces, shared folders for organizing reports, Data Sources, connect your SQL databases, Dashboards, for interactive views of your visualizations. Number 2. Connecting to data. Supported data sources. Mode supports a variety of data sources such as PostgreSQL, MySQL, Redshift, BigQuery, Snowflake. To connect, go to Settings, Data Sources. Click Connect a Database. Enter the credentials and connection string. Test the connection and save. Once connected, Mode can directly query your databases. Number 3. Writing SQL queries. Mode uses SQL for data querying. You can either start a new report or use an existing template. Create a new report. From the dashboard, click New Report. Choose your data source. Start writing SQL in the query editor. Select customer ID, sum, purchase underscore amount as total spent. From sales data, group by customer ID, order by total spent DESC, limit 10. Click Run to execute the query. Number 4. Creating visualizations. After running a SQL query, you can use the results to create charts and graphs. Steps to visualize data. Go to the Visualize tab next to the query. Choose a visualization type, bar, line, pie, etc. Drag fields to the X and Y axis. Customize labels, legends, and color themes. Example, Visualize top customers by total spending using a bar chart. Common visualization types: bar and column charts. Compare values across categories. Line charts show trends over time. Pie charts represent proportions. Heat maps analyze patterns. Tables present data in grid form. Number 5. Building dashboards. A dashboard is a collection of visualizations and KPI designed to monitor data at a glance. How to build one. Click on New Dashboard. Drag and drop visual elements from your reports. Resize, filter, and format widgets. Add descriptions or titles for context. Dashboards are interactive. Users can apply filters or click through to reports for deeper analysis. Number 6. Scheduling and alerts. Stay updated by scheduling reports and setting up data alerts. Schedule reports. Go to a report, click Schedule. Set frequency, daily, weekly, etc. Choose recipients, email or Slack. Set conditions for when to send. Data alerts. Set thresholds. Example, send alert if sales drop below $5,000. Get notified in real time when conditions are met. Number 7. Sharing and collaboration. Mode is designed for teamwork. Sharing options: invite teammates to view or edit reports. Export reports to PDF, CSV, or Excel. Embed visualizations in websites or wikis. Slack or email integrations for sharing updates. Commenting and versioning. Comment directly on reports or visualizations. See version history and revert if needed. Number 8. Using Python and R notebooks. For data scientists, Mode offers integration with Jupyter-style notebooks. Notebook features: use Python or R for advanced data analysis. Access the same query results. Combine code, charts, and markdown. Use case: predictive modeling or machine learning on queried data. Number 9. Templates and best practices. Use templates. Mode offers pre-built templates for common use cases, marketing analytics, sales dashboards, etc. Great for inspiration and learning layout best practices. Tips for beginners: start small with one query and one chart. Name your reports and charts clearly. Organize your reports in spaces by theme or topic. Regularly review usage metrics to optimize. Number 10. Advantages of Mode BI. Speed, instant query execution, and visual feedback. Collaboration, built for data teams and business users alike. Flexibility, combines SQL, Python, R, and visualization in one platform. Automation, schedule reports, trigger alerts, and share insights without manual effort. In conclusion, Mode BI empowers you to analyze, visualize, and share data insights effortlessly. Whether you are a data analyst writing SQL, a business user exploring dashboards, or a data scientist creating models, Mode makes the process streamlined and collaborative. By following this beginner's tutorial, you'll be well on your way to mastering business intelligence in 2025. And that's it. That is the Mode BI tutorial for beginners. Simplified data analysis and visualization 2025. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.